Here are 5 mind-blowing techniques that will help you attract what you deeply desire. Hi there, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And oh yeah, today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers, I have some very special, unique techniques that you can begin applying today to immediately change your life and begin manifesting the life that you deserve and the life that you absolutely desire. Now, what I'd like you to do is watch this video 2 or 3 times, take some notes, and then commit to doing these techniques for 28 days. You know, for some reason, 28 days, the lunar cycle, seems to be the amount of time that it takes to get into your subconscious mind, but also into your energy field to completely bring about a shift. So make that commitment, and I am absolutely certain you will see remarkable results in your life, attracting what you deeply in your heart desire. Okay, so the first thing we're going to need is a nice leather journal. Now, it doesn't have to be leather, but when I'm going to write down things that deal with my life and deal with my goals and my dreams, I'm usually going to put it in a nice quality journal. So this one happens to be a leather journal, but you can use whatever's convenient for you. I like the pages to be totally blank as well. And in this journal, you're going to answer 3 questions every single day for 28 days. Question number 1 is, if I knew I could not fail, what would I really do with my life? If I knew that I could not fail, what would I do with my time? You see, most of us limit what we do with our life because we fear failure. Well, we could go belly up doing that. We go broke doing that. I could get hurt doing that. But if you knew, absolutely knew you could not fail, what would you do? You're going to write that down every day for 28 days. The second question you're going to ask and answer is, if money were no object, how would I live? Where would I live at? What part of the world would I live? What kind of house would I have? What kind of car would I drive? Answer those questions clearly and concisely every single day. If I could be, third question, if I could be with anyone in the world today, who would I be with? If I could be with anyone in the world today, who would I be with? Write it down and then write down why. Flesh it out. Give some color, some definition to it. Every single day for 28 days, you're going to write those questions and answers in this book. And then on the back of the book, starting in this direction, you're going to spend a minimum of 2 minutes. That's all I'm asking. 2 minutes writing down what you're grateful for. What happened yesterday that you are grateful for? What happened 20 years ago that you're grateful for? What's happening right now that you're grateful for? But we're not ending it there. You're going to write down 3 people in your life that you are grateful for. Now, it's not always possible, but to the best of your ability, try to write down 3 different people every single day. 3 people that you appreciate and that you're absolutely grateful for that they are in your life. Now, if it's possible, sometimes there are people in my life that I'm grateful for, but they're no longer alive. So I can't send them a little note that says, I appreciate you. But if they are alive, send a note. I didn't say text. That doesn't count. Okay? I didn't say text, millennials. I said a note. Something tangible, something they can feel, something they can open up. That says, I took time with this. And say, I appreciate you. Now, the next technique it's absolutely essential. It's a wonderful technique. I have back here my wallet, and in my wallet, along with some cash and credit cards and all that kind of stuff, I keep a special bill, and on the bill it says gratitude. Gratitude. And the reason I keep this bill in my wallet is so that every time I reach into my wallet, either to get my credit card or to pay somebody with some cash, every time I look in my wallet, what am I seeing? Gratitude. Now, whether I have $10,000 in my wallet or $1 in my wallet, it doesn't make any difference. I am totally and completely filled with gratitude. And again, that gratitude is so important because it puts you in a state of abundance, and you begin to attract more abundance into your life. And what is abundance? Here's my definition: the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health you depend upon. That's what abundance is. So make yourself one of these gratitude bills. It doesn't have to be green. And other people have told me, well, I don't use a wallet, Robert, so I keep a little rock in my pocket. And every time I reach into my pocket, I feel that rock, and it reminds me to just stop for a moment. Take a deep breath. And fill myself with gratitude. When you're filled with gratitude, you are soaring high like a beautiful eagle, and you are attracting more of what you desire. Next, make a commitment to love yourself completely. Spoil yourself. Do good things for yourself. Exercise more. Eat clean foods. But here's something you can do as well. And this is important. Simply close your eyes and visualize yourself back in time, as if you were visiting yourself when you are 12 years old, when you're 10 years old, perhaps even 5. See yourself playing with your train set or your favorite doll. And I want you to say this simple Hawaiian prayer to yourself in the past. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. You are healing yourself because back then you believed you could do anything. You believed you could become anything. You had no limits. You had no boundaries other than perhaps what your parents gave you. You had hope. You had belief. But somewhere in life, you lost a little bit of that. Maybe you surrendered some of it. Maybe you had some disappointing, painful experiences. I understand. I've been through it. I've had that. It's time to heal yourself, to forgive yourself. And that's a wonderful way to do it. Now, you can also get up in the morning and go stand in the mirror and do it. But I think when you visit yourself back in that innocent stage and you say those 4 statements, I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, it's going to clear your energy field like you have never felt cleared before. Do it every day for 28 days. And finally, one of the easiest ways to send out a vibration, to reverberate energy into the universe that you are abundant. And so the universe, what does it do? It matches that and gives you more of what you desire, is to pay it forward. You see a homeless person, give them a bottle of water. If you can help someone out, help them out. If you're standing in line at a Starbucks, buy the next person in line a cup of coffee. Do little things every day to pay it forward. It will come back to you, many, many fold. I can't tell you how many fold. It's impossible to calculate. But the more little things you do to give, the more you will receive. That's a wonderful, wonderful formula. Practice these 5 techniques for 28 days. You're going to be soaring like a beautiful eagle. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.